Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn Sport Crew Cab in Blue Streak Pearl. With LED automatic reflector headlamps, LED front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 14,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, front and rear rubber floor mats, LED bed lighting, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5466A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.